Hello friends, welcome to Catalyst Chemistry. As we discussed last class, two electrophilic reactions. The one is what nitration, the other one is what halogenation. Okay, these two will come under what electrophilic substitution reaction. The next three reactions are there. Those reactions also what electrophilic substitution reaction. The third one is what that is most important what sulfonation reaction. Okay, next after that what Friedel-Crafts alkylation. The fifth one is that is indicate what Friedel-Crafts acylation. Okay. In you know about that halogenation, what the halogenation, and next one is what nitration. Halogenation, what the Cl2 in the presence of H nu. H nu means what free radical mechanism takes place. Okay, there is a generation of what odd number of an electron. If H nu is there 100%, that is trick. Okay. Next after that what nitration. Nitration means what compulsory they are going to use what constant HNO3 and constant H2SO4 mixture of these two, they are going to maintain temperature 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. Okay. Then only there is generation of what NO2 plus electrophile. Okay. That electrophile is going to attack on what benzene ring. Usually you know very well about that the benzene ring in all the carbon having a what more electron density. Okay, more electron density, that is why the important point in this case what electron density completely depends on what electron density, and that is why in this case what happens there is a ortho and para attacking takes place. Okay. The next one is what sulfonation. Sulfonation means what in this case important is what there is a generation of what SO3H electrophile. SO3H electrophile is indicate what sulfonic. Okay, just here in this case when chlorobenzene starting material must be what same. When chlorobenzene is heated with concentrated H2SO4 mixture of what ortho and para chloro benzene sulfonic acid is formed. Okay, just here I am going to consider an example. Okay, I am going to take a starting material is what same, that is what chlorobenzene. Okay, this is indicate what chlorobenzene. I am going to take a 2 moles. I am going to take a what 2 moles. This can react with what 2 moles of concentrated H2SO4. If you are not going to use in the presence of heat, slight heat, okay, bear in mind because of you are going to use a concentrated H2SO4 means in this case there is no much of heat, there is slight heat takes place. Okay, there is a generation of what when concentrated H2SO4 this can generate SO3H, SO3 plus H. This is act as a electrophile. This SO3 plus H indicate what act as a electrophile. This electrophile is going to attack on what ortho and para position. In this case what ortho and para is a 100% para is a major product due to steric hindrance. Okay, just here this is what SO3 plus, because in this case what happen all the carbon having a what electron density more. Okay, there is generation of what SO3H electrophile. Just here this one is what Cl as it is. I am going to write what SO3H direct in mechanism. Do not worry about a mechanism, there is no mechanism in what PVC first year as well as what second year, no problem. Next after that what second one possible, this is indicate what Cl as it is. Next one is what SO3H plus release of what H2 plus release of what indicate H2 important. H2O means what in this case make it balance, this is the 2 moles of H2O, okay, because 2 constant H2SO4. Okay, bear in mind this SO3H is act as a electrophile. Just here in this case this one is indicate what one major SO3H is there, this one is 2, next this is a 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is indicate what when you are going to write a numbering. Numbering means what, that is indicate what IUPAC nomenclature. If you are not going to write a number, that is indicate what common name. What is the common name? This is here is there no ortho and para chloro. This is orthochloro benzene sulfonic acid. This is para chloro benzene sulfonic acid, that is common name. Already common name is there, I am going to write a IUPAC nomenclature. Just here in this case sulfur is there, here chlorine is there, alphabetical order C will come first, that is why 2 chloro benzene sulfonic acid, 2 chlorobenzene sulfonic acid is what IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, I am going to write here 2 chloro is clear. Next one is what 2 chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Okay, this is what important, bear in mind. Okay, 2 chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. The next one here is what 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. In this case what IUPAC name 4 chloro benzene 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Okay, 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid, this is a 2-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. These two are what product? In examination they are going to ask you what 2 marks, explain sulfonation, that time you have to write. After that if you want you can write explanation, otherwise one method is there, you have to write explanation, otherwise you have to write compulsory naming chlorobenzene. Okay, chlorobenzene, this chlorobenzene is converted into these two products. Very simple is there, chlorobenzene can react with a constant H2SO4 in the presence of heat to form a product. One is what ortho-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid, another one is what parachlorosulfonic acid. This is what minor product, this is what major product. Okay, no problem. One is minor, another one is major. The next question, why it is a major? Why it is a minor? In this case very simple, it is a major means what? Due to steric hindrance. Due to what? Steric hindrance. I explained for what is the steric hindrance. Okay, up to this what sulfonation is completed. Third one. The next one is what? Friedel-Crafts alkylation, that is what? Fourth one Friedel-Crafts. These two are scientists. Okay, Friedel and Crafts. Okay, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Okay, this is FRI. Okay, FRI, Friedel-Crafts C, this is C, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Okay, just here Friedel-Crafts alkylation starting material must be same in all the cases. You have to take halogenation, nitration, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation. Starting material must be what? Same, but there is a change in what? Electrophile, change in what? Electrophile. Just here Friedel-Crafts reaction, I am going to consider direct, I am going to write a reaction. Okay, this is indicate what? Chlorobenzene is there. Okay, no problem. After that they are going to add 2 moles of CS3Cl. CS3Cl means in this case methyl chloride. Next after that in the presence of what? They are going to add anhydrous AlCl3. Anhydrous means what? There is a removal of water molecule. AlCl3 do not containing any water molecule, that is indicate what? Anhydrous. Okay, no problem. 2 moles of chlorobenzene can react with the methyl chloride. If you want you can write naming, no problem. Methyl chloride. Okay, in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 there is a formation of 2 products, because of starting material is 2 is there, no, that is why there is a formation of product. One is, okay, this is what? Just here in this case CS3Cl is there. In this case which electrophile is going to generate? CS3 plus. In this case what happened? Bear in mind CS3 plus, this is act as a what? Generation of electrophile. In this case what? SO3H. So this CS3 is going to attack on what? Benzene. This is what? CS3 is there plus second one. Next in this case what? This is Cl. Next this is the fourth. Okay, plus release of 2 moles of HCl. Is it clear? Very simple reaction. Okay, just here in this case orthochlorotoluene you can write, no problem. This is parachlorotoluene you can write. Okay, that is indicate. If you want you can write IUPAC nomenclature also, no problem. IUPAC nomenclature means what? Start from this is 1, this is a 2. Out of these 2 this chlorine is act as a major. This chlorine is act as a what? Major role. That is why in this case what happened? 2-methyl chlorobenzene. 2-methyl chlorobenzene. Okay, this is a what? IUPAC name. 2-methyl chlorobenzene. Now tell me, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now tell me what is the IUPAC name? This in this case 4-methyl chlorobenzene. Okay, 4-methyl chlorobenzene is the what? IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, no problem. If you want you can change the name also. Okay, common name you have to write, no problem. This is indicate what? IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, this is indicate Friedel-Crafts alkylation. If you want you can write explanation also. Chlorobenzene can react with a methyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. There is a formation of 2 product. One is minor product, another one is major product. 2-methyl chlorobenzene, this is act as a what? Minor. This is act as a what? Major. Same reason, due to steric hindrance. Okay, this is indicate what? Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Okay, the next one I think I am going to write here only. Okay, just I am going to remove this one. The next one, that is last one, Friedel-Crafts acylation. Okay, alkylation is different, acylation is different. Okay, alkylation means what? CS3Cl. Acylation means what? CS3COCl. Okay, the next heading, this fifth one, Friedel Crafts acylation. Okay, Friedel Crafts acylation reaction. Okay, just see here, same starting material is same, that is 2 moles of chlorobenzene, no problem. This can react with what? 2 moles of CS3COCl. CS3COCl. CS3COCl is indicate what? Acetyl chloride. What you are going to call this is acetyl chloride. CS3CO group is indicate what? That is acetyl chloride. Next, same in the presence of what? Anhydrous, no problem, anhydrous Al3 aluminum chloride. Okay, there is a generation of what? Which electrophile? In this case what? Generation, just here the electrophile is what? CS3CO. This is indicate what? Electrophile. CS3CO is electrophile. In this case what? CS3 plus is electrophile. Okay, electrophile is having what? Positive charge. Next, after that there is a formation of 2 product. One is simple, that is Cl is there. Next, after that in this case what? COCS3. Don't write CS3CO, you have to write COCS3. The second product is Cl as it is. Next one is what? COCS3 plus release of what? 2 moles of HCl. If you want, you can write this unwanted product, don't worry about this one, but these two are indicate important product. One is what? This is a minor product. Next, this is a major product. The next one is what? Naming. Naming means what? In this case orthochloroacetophenone, CS3 acetophenone, what you are going to call? Acetophenone only this is. Okay, benzene ring COCS3 you called what? Acetophenone. If you want, I can write here only, no problem. Okay, just see here, COCS3 is there. Now, what is the name of this one? Acetophenone. What is the name of acetophenone? Just here, in this case this is a numbering 1, this is numbering 2, because this COCS3 is a major. That is why 2-chloroacetophenone. 2-chloroacetophenone, that is what? IUPAC nomenclature, no problem. 2-chloroacetophenone. Okay. Next, after that in this case 4-chloroacetophenone. Okay. 4-chloroacetophenone, 2-chloroacetophenone. If you want, you can write a common name orthochloroacetophenone. Ortho, this is act as a major, this is act as a major group. No, obviously this is act as a orthochloroacetophenone, parachloroacetophenone. Okay, up to this what? Types of reaction completed. Okay, up to this indicate haloalkanes, haloarene is topic is what? Entirely completed. The next part is there, that is polyhalogen compounds. Due to cold reason, the polyhalogen compound is what? That is deleted. That topic means what? That part is what? Deleted. Up to this what? Haloalkanes, haloarene is completed. The next topic we will start next video. Okay, I am going to think which topic I am going to start. Okay, I will think and start. Okay, no problem. Okay friends, subscribe and share and promote this channel. Thank you very much.